Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I don't know how many weeks it has been. It has been since I last filmed things to do in quarantine. I hope everyone's doing well and taking care of themselves. And yeah, I hope you're abiding by all the rules and regulations given by healthcare organizations and all the leaders or whatever. And yeah, today I came up with this um video idea, as you've seen from the thumbnail, with one of my friends, Hasti. So thank you, Hasti. And she and I were brainstorming, and so we came up with this. And so in this video I'm gonna just do explain what I'm gonna be doing. So there'll be 5 different looks and five different outfits and cohesive makeup looks to go with each and every outfit. So today is look number 1. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm gonna explain the outfit later, but now I'm gonna do the makeup. And as you can see, I hope you can see, I've done my base. The base will remain the same for all the looks. I don't like to change up my base a lot, so I'm just gonna be doing something unique with my eyes and lips according to each outfit. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. So I've zoomed y'all in a bit. I hope you can see. Just gonna get my mirror out. You can see that. Oh gosh. Anyways, I'm gonna use the only palette I ever use when it comes to color looks, and that's the Morphe 35B palette. And I'm gonna be using most of the pink shades in it. So I'm gonna start off. Okay. So the pink shades I'm gonna be using are this this light pink here, then I'm going to be using this neon, and then this magenta dark pink. So I'm going to be doing like a light pink in the crease to start off with, blending everything so it has a smooth blend. And then I'm going to be putting neon all over my lid, and I'm going to darken up the crease a bit with the deepest shade. So this is what I've come up with. It's like an ombre-ish. It's very simple because I don't want to do something over the top. It is over the top. I really know this. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a thick liner, a liquid liner. I think that's good enough. So I'm just going to repeat this on this eye. Now for lips, I'm going to be taking lip liner and lining a Von lipstick. It's the perfectly matte lipstick in Mauve Matters. I don't know why it picks up very pink on camera. The Fenty gloss bomb. Putting some on my finger because I don't like the applicator. This is the makeup look. And let's get on to the outfit. I'm going to be using the same palette, the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be using the greens in this. So I'm going to be using the light green, the whole green row, but first I'm going to be using the light green, and I'm going to be putting that in my crease. And I'm going to be taking the pastel green, the green below the light green, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. And I'm gonna be taking emerald green. I'm gonna be taking the shimmery green on my lid, and I'm gonna be taking the darkest green, and I'm going to be putting that on the outer parts. I'm going to be taking um this Make Revolution Pro palette in Bewitch, and I'm going to be taking this shade. You can see it has like a green hue to it. Taking like this lightest bit of it, just patting that in the center. Then I'm going to be taking a angle brush, and I'm going to be taking the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to be lining. I'm going to do it on this eye. And so I'm back, and I just did this eye, and I added like green eyeshadow below my eyes and inner tear duct highlight. And now I'm going to, my eyebrows are already done, my face is already done. Now I use the same lip liner that I used in the previous tutorial, and now I'm taking my Sugar Elwood's lipstick and the Revolution lipstick in the shade Muse that I always use. That rhymed. And Pixie by Petra lip icing in the shade Toffee. I'm be applying that. This is the finished makeup look. I know it's kind of scary. Like, I'm not used to seeing myself in green, but I thought I'd switch it up a bit, so I think this looks nice. So I'm gonna show you the outfit. Guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing the third look, and today is like a fancy kind of look. So I've already done my face, my eyebrows, blush, highlight, bronzer, foundation, concealer. I hope you like this video because it's like I am filming this on 5 days, and yeah, like it's something different, so don't be too hard on me. So I hope everyone's nice. And now I'm going to be using the Jackie Aina palette. First, I'm going to start off with ginger in my crease, and edges I'm going to be putting to deepen up my crease. Then pinker, which is this shade, this one, it's next to the bright pink, that to deepen up the crease a bit. Now I'm taking Lituation, and I'm going to put that on my lid. Now I'm taking Duolus, and if you're thinking why am I pronouncing that, Jackie Aina pronounces it like that, so don't come for me. Now I'm taking, it's called Moon Lava liquid eyeshadow, and it looks like this, and it's in the shade Starry, a black shade, and using that to draw eyeliner. Okay guys, so I've done my eyes, put highlighter on the inner corners and put eyeshadow below my eyes, and I've put a mascara. Now I'm going to be taking this Nika matte lipstick in the shade Cleopatra on my lips. This is the finished makeup look. So now let's go on to the outfit. Hey guys, so today is the last look. ended up doing 4 looks because otherwise the video would be so long. So I'm sorry if that bothers you. It's the last and final look. So wow, I can't believe I'm doing this. But yeah, so I'm gonna start off with the makeup. So the makeup's really simple. I'm just gonna put some bronzer in my crease to warm up my crease a bit, and this is the Makeup Revolution bronzer in the shade 02 Warm, and I am putting that in my crease and blending it. Then I'm going to be using the Fenty Stunner Lip Paint in the shade Uncensored as eyeliner, and I'm gonna line my eyes. You can use any liquid lipstick, just make sure your eyes aren't sensitive and don't put it like really near your eyes, like in the waterline and stuff, because I just don't want to get sued. And be careful. Then I'm taking the Morphe 3502 palette, which is this palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade, the only matte red shade in it, and I'm going to be setting the liquid liner, and that's about it. Hey guys, so I've done my eyes. I put mascara and highlighter in my inner tear ducts. So now I'm gonna do my lips. I'm taking the Miss Claire long lasting matte lipstick in the shade Deep Maroon, and just patting that on my lips. And then I'm going to be applying the same lipstick, the Makeup Revolution lipstick in the shade Muse, on the center. I'm going to be taking, and lastly I'm going to be taking the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Angel Food Cake. This is the finished makeup look. Now let's go on to the outfit. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and comment down below what kind of videos you want to see in the future, and share it with your friends if you think they like this content. And yeah, this video took lots of effort, so thank you to my sister for helping me film this video, like the montages, and I hope you like this. Don't be too hard on me because I've never done something like this before, so I was just playing around and having fun with it. So yeah, I hope everyone's staying safe and be grateful for what you have, and stay inside. Bye.